If you've lost access to your Avira Phantom VPN account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Avira website. Go to the official Avira website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Avira Phantom VPN account. Make sure it is the correct email you used during registration, as this will be crucial for receiving recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Avira in your inbox. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder to ensure it hasn't been filtered out. Step 4. Reset your password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Avira login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. Once logged in, you can access your account settings and update any necessary information, including adding a new phone number for future recovery options. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Avira Phantom VPN account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Avira's customer support for further assistance.